Welcome on the How To. Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe for more free how to videos. So now let's go. How to be a dancer, some tips on how to be a good dancer. It is no wonder that many people wish to know how to be a dancer, since being a professional dancer can make one very popular with many different types of people. In this day and age, being a dancer is an important career choice, as there are many different places that you can find people that want to learn the craft. Here are some tips on how to become a dancer. Most dancers will begin by taking dance classes, or if they prefer, taking dance lessons at home. There are also a number of dance studios that you can attend in order to get some basic training before you get into the more advanced levels of ballet, tap, jazz, modern, and other dance forms. Many students choose to take dance lessons instead of classes that teach more advanced things such as jazz or contemporary dance, as these classes are often more specialized and only cater to the needs of the teacher and not the student. It is best to take dance lessons from someone who has been dancing for a while and knows their work better than you do, because they can help you figure out what you need to learn and help you find the dance steps that are right for you. Once you have completed your training, you may want to take dance classes in various dance styles that you are interested in. These different classes are very popular with both professional dancers and those who just want to learn some new moves. Most schools offer different types of dance lessons, but you may want to consider taking a class that is taught in a studio, as this can be a very convenient and affordable way to learn the basics of dance. It will also give you the opportunity to learn how to dance outside of the safety of your own home. There are a number of different dance studios in the city, so looking into which one is most likely to fit your needs is essential. The cost of taking dance lessons is going to vary greatly, and it will depend on whether or not you can afford to take classes in a studio, whether you can afford the monthly costs of a membership in a studio, and if the studio offers classes in various types of dance. If you decide to take dance classes in a studio, remember that it is always good to talk to a dance instructor before you take up your first class, to see if they offer any kind of discounts or other incentives for taking classes with them. This is especially important if you have a family member or other important people that you might be teaching the dance steps with. How to be a dancer is a wonderful and rewarding career, so it is definitely worth your time to take some time to learn the tips, tricks, and techniques that you can use to learn to dance and become a great dancer. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more how to.